Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to locate the IMEI number on the following device. So at first, open the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open the system. Now click on the first icon, which is about phone, scroll down a bit, and here you'll notice both IMEI number for both SIM cards in your device. So that's it. This is how you can check the IMEI number for your Nokia 8.1. Then if you would like to open the serial number, you can do it very quickly. Just tap on the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *06#. And here is the serial number for your device. So that's it. Tap on OK to go back and check them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.